look straight into the eyes of our people and tell them the reality. No, I tell you, the truth is a bitter pill. And now, Metesa will be a phone lines, will be cars, and a attitude can I agree. The attitude can and a master no money in their cost. But
over 7,700 households displaced.
7,000.
Over 7,700 households displaced.
Hey.
7 missing. As June records highest monthly rainfall in Ghana's history. More than 7,700 households have been displaced. 7 persons remain missing following Monday's devastating floods. The Minister for the Interior has disclosed as he revealed that Ghana recorded its highest monthly rainfall on record in June 2026. Delivering a statement in Parliament on Tuesday, June 30th, Alhaji Mohammed Muntaka Mubarak said the downpour inundated several communities across capital, disrupting economic and social activities and affecting thousands of residents in 18 metropolitan, municipal and district assemblies. And in here, until this year, you say a dime 7,700 yeah, only affected now so at all on crying. Nanipa ben so the you
7.
Yes.
7.
Yeah.
But I'm a report I made today.
Yes.
I think they are massaging it for us.
The report is that
yes.
Officially almost say 7. But when only be so kasa
yes.
the figures that they are giving families that they know have lost
yes.
or can't find their relatives are more than 7.
It goes beyond 7. So are they massaging it? Are they massaging it for us?
Families I won't cry. Ya omo complaining say omo adofo bi no free mu na ye hunu omo no. They are more than 7.
So what are they massaging the figures for? Tell us the reality. Say now 7 here, then we know how to position ourselves.
We don't know how this figure is out there. Now, we image that television you see. I had a circle. I had His Excellency the President, or not William Shem, and not or shed your
or assesses for them.
Read what somebody sent to you.
Right, my man Kaima was here.
Well, I have something to ask.
Or say, when we saw the helicopter coming, we thought it was coming to pick us from the rain, but surprisingly, it was just watching us. Where's we are in person? When say, and you tell us what
say?
Yes.
Everyone who said it's your own toy, etia, who's a real shame, and nam remoa na ebano. Now I say, Yanya GDB say, finally, we are shame no eba be rescue ye.
Yes.
Now so we are cheno sa na your mampenin and that we are shenum or hey. That okay no.
Yes.
Can 70 be behind 3 can.
Yes.
Now your mampenin that we are shenum and na or hey. And when I heard this,
yeah.